Ever wondered why hull cleaning is a must for your vessel? It's pivotal to maintain efficiency, prevent damage, and meet environmental regulations. Overlooking this can result in substantial consequences. Ignoring hull cleaning could be a costly oversight. Let's delve into why. The first big word today is biofouling, a fancy term with a simple solution: regular hull cleaning. This process eradicates corrosive agents and stubborn biofouling, staving off accelerated degradation and structural damage. So, hull cleaning isn't just about appearances, it's about protecting your investment. Want to save money on fuel? Clean your hull. Hull cleaning removes drag-inducing substances like algae and barnacles. This leads to smoother sailing, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced operational costs. A clean hull equals a more efficient vessel. Simple as that. How do you make a large vessel more responsive? By ensuring its hull is squeaky clean. A clean hull reduces hydrodynamic resistance, allowing the vessel to navigate more efficiently and respond swiftly to commands. A clean hull doesn't just look good, it performs better too. Want to keep your maintenance costs low? You guessed it. Clean your hull. Regular hull cleaning staves off expensive repairs by combating corrosion and fouling. It's a smart move for optimizing long-term financial sustainability. Invest in regular hull cleaning and watch your maintenance costs decrease. So, now you know why hull cleaning is non-negotiable. It's not just about maintaining appearances, it's about precision, performance, and protection. Our team is ready to provide expert, tailored services for your unique vessel needs. Don't compromise on your vessel's efficiency and longevity. Contact us today for expert hull cleaning services.